Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming in from our newest store at 1443. We have moved 3 doors down to a nicer place, bigger place, and more business will be done here. So what do we got today? Well, we got a rainy day with a great cover with a good truck here. So we got here is the Nissan Frontier here. Now it has the factory roll bar. Now, of course, they're always saying you got a factory roll bar, you cannot get a cover. Well, you can get a cover. So, and that's what we did today. We got the Revolver X4s. Now this is the flat rail, and the reason we did the flat rail because we have to be able to make it work with the roll bar here. Now this is something that only really gets done in the store. We do not offer any shipment of this outside the store. So if you want this, you have to come here. This guy drove 4 hours for us to do it. So, and the last 2 customers came in, they drove from outside the state. But we do a very nice job. So let's go here and show you how everything works. Now we also put the access rug in here, which is a nice bed rug here, and that works really good with this truck, and I like that a lot. So let's go into the X4s. Now if you're not familiar with the X4s, it is it's a hardcover. It holds 400 pounds and has a 5-year manufacturer warranty. We also double the warranty to 10 years. Now it does have a left and right release mechanism, so wherever you're standing you can open this up, not a problem whatsoever. So let's go ahead and roll it up here. I'm going to show you a couple things you're going to need to know. Now with the roll bar, it's just going to stop right there. Now if you need to get it in there, you can kind of flatten this out and kind of sneak it in there, but my recommendations is just let it stop right there, and that was pretty much how that's going to work. You can still open it, but you now have a cover, because normally you couldn't get a cover whatsoever. But as you can see, you can still get what you need out of here. It is a very secure cover because it has this little silver thing here. When this closes, this locks the entire track and both sides. Now, right now, I should not clone all the way. Let's see if I can get a little bit more out so you can see it. There you go. See how it locks in place there? So, see that? This is the only one that has a full lock like that. So that's really good. So it's going to be a very secure cover. So now, on this, if you like this, we can ship this without the modifications. But again, if you want it done like this, you have to come here. Of course, the cover doesn't look as nice because it's raining. Again, I like this setup. I've done quite a few of these, and each time gets even a little bit better than the last time. You know, we got it down to a science now, and I really like the final results on this. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Revolver X4s by Bak Industries on a Nissan Frontier with the factory roll bar. And I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and don't forget I can ship this anywhere in the country. And hit that like button, we appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.